Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
Full faith that we are going to be able to have a reduction in the fees and a reduction in the sanitation fees, which will come as a good respite in times of COVID where everything else has become expensive. At least here the traders can do something for themselves. Even though Shadow Council is the one to start, they should definitely give us a hand and help the traders.
And I feel this is a genuine case, and because there is a COVID and there is no business in the Margao municipality, and so I had to look after why there is genuine demand also. There is no any business, and they will not be able to pay any taxes for their road. They have to suffer a lot. So this I have to place for the council meeting, and whatever is there we will do it.
So today morning we had just come here to have a look at some obstruction which was there for the water. Some residents had complained that there was some water logging which was taking place in the fields. And it was चोपा मिळिल्ले सो हिंग उदका वाट आहा थिंग मातशें आमकां कितें आडकोडे सांपडल्या की इल्ली माती घायलो काय एक हातोर कितें घायलो काय ताका लागून मातशें उदक आडायन वता थिंग तें आमी एक मातशें क्लीन करपाक सोदतले आनी वील डू इट ट्राय टू डू बिफोर द मान्सून्स मातशें उदका वाटे क्लियर करता
तू मला म्हणतो आम्ही सगळे काउन्सिलरांनी रिन्यू आम्हाला लेटर धाडत ना ते तुम्ही शकता सेंड अप्रूव्ह सप्लाय हियर
स्टँडिंग कमिटी सब्जेक्ट कमिटी स्टँडिंग कमिटीचे आम्ही 8 मेंबर्स असतात आणि सब्जेक्ट कमिटीचा 5 मेंबर आसले सो ते काउन्सिलरांनी डिमांड केलो कितें एखादें एक्स्ट्रा कमिटी कोण म्हणून सॅनिटेशन आनी गार्बेजीची सो ते आतां एक एक्स्ट्रा कमिटी एड केल्या
इलेक्शन केन्ना घेवपाक
इलेक्शन नेक्स्ट
highways. They wanted some shelters there to keep a police permanently. In Kadamba, there are certain issues. Again, in Komba, they're talking about the overbridge there. Certain signboard or speed breakers got like. Tank rokudu eman nahi. Kitne taka line. So ata I tank sangla PWD. Poi soda temporary got like. Kutlu the land. Permanent solution is different. Traffic, they were saying, we have to need some pamphlets to be given to schools.